Hi and welcome back to our channel, LiveLeanTV. So today I'm going to take you on a little tour of my home gym setup and help you with the decision making on what to get for your home gym, and also just like my favorite items. And everything is on Amazon, and I've organized all of my favorite items into an Amazon storefront page, so it's all like a collection of my favorites. There's favorite fitness clothing, favorite fitness gear, weights, different various equipment. So all of my exact favorites, the brands, the details, everything is all linked there. You can choose a different color, a different model, or do your own research, read the reviews, and maybe order more expensive options if you prefer. But everything in there is like the most affordable but best value, and I wouldn't put anything in that storefront that I haven't personally used and loved. So you can be sure when you're ordering that stuff that it's been tried and tested by me. So I'm gonna be showing you a lot of different stuff in here, but I just want you to know you don't have to go all out and you don't have to deck out your home gym space. But I definitely recommend that you at least get a few items and create a dedicated space in your home if you are serious about transforming your fitness and getting really consistent with your workouts. I think it's really important to have a space that you call your gym instead of sharing that with like your bedroom or your living room. That's been so helpful for me. So that's why I chose this corner of my garage, and it's been awesome. So let's go take a little tour. The first thing you probably notice is that I have turf flooring in here. This is from Amazon as well. It's a very thin, just little turf rug. Doesn't provide much cushion, but it is just like a nice clean surface, and it really marks out your space really well. It makes you feel like the space is complete. And also the floor is cleaner this way for exercises where you lay down and stuff. So I've really enjoyed having this turf. The size of mine is 8 by 12, but they do have it in basically any size you can imagine. I got this white yoga mat last year. I really like that it's white, even though white does show a lot more shoe marks and dirt than any other color would. So if you don't want it to show dirt, get a black or a darker color instead. But this is a very just affordable one, about $19. And it's the bare minimum of equipment I would recommend. If you just are gonna get one thing, let it be that. So let's take a look at my collection of weights over here. So you can see I have different various sizes of dumbbells, 10s, 15s, 20s, 25s, and then these actually have every size all the way from 5 to 50. They're adjustable power block dumbbells, and then we have a 35 kettlebell. So for a beginner who's just starting out, I would suggest getting just like one pair of 10s, maybe 5s if you're not sure how much you can lift yet. So 5s and 10s would be a good starter set. You might notice that my 10s and 15s don't match each other, and that's fine. Different shapes, sizes, but they're the same weight, so they work. But I would recommend buying dumbbells as pairs instead of individuals, because you're probably gonna want the pair eventually. Towels I consider a must-have gym item, because anytime you wanna lay down on the ground, or there's so many uses for towels. So just keep a couple of like beach towels in your home gym space, and they're super handy. I have a spare mat right there. I have these workout cones, are probably my newest addition. I've been really enjoying them. Pretty affordable and fun to make your workouts more athletic. Foam rollers are awesome for after workouts. I like a little cuteness in my home workout space, so I put some fake plants, fake flowers. A fan is an essential item, especially for those hot summer workouts when I just need a breeze. And then I have my Amazon Echo for playing music out here. We recently added a TV out here, so sometimes I also just stream music videos while I'm working out. And this is my workout bench, another Amazon order that I love. I've had this for about 1 year now. Super handy because it does incline and decline positions, and it's very lightweight, so it's easy to move around. I love the foot holders and the knee cushions. Super handy, and I highly recommend this bench. I know it was sold out for a long time, but hopefully back in stock by now. If you can't find a bench that's not sold out right now, or you don't want to invest in a workout bench, you can just use a chair. For the longest time, I've been using this household chair as a bench substitute, and it works great for that. Those are my kids' dumbbells. These ones are just rattles, and these are 2-pounders for Kyla. Yoga blocks are also linked in my Amazon store. Those are nice to have. And then I have this whole collection of resistance bands. I have the small loop bands, and I also have the longer like pull-up assist bands, stuff like that. They're all kind of tangled mess back there, but everything is linked below if you want to see details about those. My Swiss ball is also linked there as well. The size of the one that I have is a 55 centimeter, and it works great. Last but not least, we installed this pull-up bar about a year or year and a half ago, and we actually had to kind of fix it ourselves by adding those wooden poles there because our ceiling space just wasn't like long enough to attach this particular pull-up bar. But you could also go with a door frame bar or just you know, a bar that's part of a squat rack, or there's all different kinds of pull-up bar options, and also a mirror. I almost forgot to mention that a mirror is such a great gym space tool to have. You can check your form while you're working out. I feel like so much of my fitness progress has been from being able to check myself and correct myself. So get yourself a mirror for your home gym space. This one I actually got for free because a neighbor was giving it away. You can find a mirror on Amazon, I'm sure. Even a smaller one will do, but just something where you can see your full body while you're working out is going to be so helpful. So I think that just about covers it. Let me know if there's anything you spotted that I didn't mention in this video and I can explain it further in the comments. But yeah, this is my home gym space. I love it so much. All of the items in here are what I use on a regular basis to follow my Team Live Lean workouts, or the ones I'm doing right now. But I've also done Formula for Women in this home gym and Tone at Home. If you're doing that program, you only need some space and a mat. That's it. So none of this equipment is essential or necessary to get yourself in shape, but it's nice to have, and it'll help provide that variety to keep your workouts interesting and, you know, keep you motivated, because that's the main purpose of decking out your home gym space, is to motivate you. Now, obviously there's so much more you could do in a gym space. This is kind of like the bare minimum, or a home gym space on a budget. There's probably a lot more videos out there showing how you can fully deck it out with a squat rack, barbell, plates, cable machines, and everything to just really make your home feel like it's an actual real gym. But this amount of equipment is the right amount for me right now. So I hope this is helpful for you to see. If you saw anything you liked in here and you want to get to, it is all linked in the description box below. All of my Amazon links of my favorite items that I've been collecting over the years, and I'll continue to add more to that page, so you may want to bookmark and save that page for the future and check back as I'm collecting more different stuff. If you already have a home gym space but you just go in there and you're not sure what to do, then pick up one of our programs, because it's so nice to just open and follow for the day and not have to think and not have to put your own workouts together. We can do that all for you. So link down below to take our program quiz and find the best match given what equipment you have to work with and what your fitness goals are. If you like this video and you got anything helpful from it, please give a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to the channel to see future videos from us. And I'll see you at the next one, and keep living lean.